Elevate your menu and appeal to a wider variety of customers by offering menu customizations. Menu customizations provide more options and can help attract more customer orders. Customizations can be set for sauces and toppings, meats, flavors, and more. Here's how you can create customizations in Uber Eats Manager. Head to the Customizations tab in Menu and click Create Customization to start. This will create a customization group. Enter the name of the customization group in the field Customer Instructions and save. To start customizing, select the newly created customization group, edit options, and create a new option. Remember, the details you are filling out here are not for an item, but specific to the customization option. Once your option has been created, go to Add to Items to assign the customization group to items or categories on your menu. Rules can also be set to ensure your customers are correctly selecting customizations. These include setting a minimum or maximum number of customizations that can be added to an item. For example, limiting customers to choosing up to 2 add-ons for their burger, and allowing multiple selections of the same customization. For example, only allowing customers to select extra cheese twice as an add-on. Give it a try and see what works best for your menu. Menu customizations provide more options and can help attract more customer orders.